Alligator. An alligator is a large, semi-aquatic reptile with a broad, flat snout, powerful jaws, and a muscular body. Alligators are found in the southeastern United States, in habitats such as swamps, marshes, and rivers. They are carnivores and feed on fish, turtles, birds, and mammals. Alligators are closely related to crocodiles and are often confused with them. However, alligators have a broader, more U-shaped snout, while crocodiles have a longer, more V-shaped snout. Alligators also have a wider, rounder body shape than crocodiles. Alligators are important to their ecosystems, as they help control populations of other animals and help to maintain the balance of the food chain. They are also valuable to humans for their skin, which is used to make leather products, and for their meat, which is consumed in some parts of the world. The lifespan of an alligator varies depending on a number of factors, such as their environment, food supply, and interactions with humans. In general, alligators can live to be around 35 to 50 years old in the wild, although some individuals have been known to live longer. In captivity, alligators can live even longer, with some individuals living to be 60 years or older. This is because they are protected from the harsh conditions and predators that can impact wild populations. The age at which an alligator reaches sexual maturity can also vary depending on their environment and food supply. In general, males reach sexual maturity at around 10 to 12 years of age, while females can take up to 6 to 10 years longer. Once they reach maturity, alligators can breed and produce offspring for many years, helping to maintain the population of these important reptiles. Alligators are primarily solitary animals, although they may congregate in groups at certain times of the year, such as during mating season or when food is abundant. They are generally slow-moving and lethargic, but can move quickly and with surprising agility when necessary. Alligators are ambush predators, and will often lie in wait for their prey before striking suddenly with their powerful jaws. They are also known to use their tails to stun or disorient their prey before moving in for the kill. Despite their fearsome reputation, alligators are generally not aggressive towards humans, and will usually avoid contact whenever possible. However, they may become more aggressive if they feel threatened or if they perceive humans as a potential source of food. In the wild, alligators are important apex predators, helping to maintain the balance of their ecosystems by controlling populations of other animals. They are also important scavengers, feeding on the remains of dead animals and helping to clean up their environment. Overall, alligators play an important role in their ecosystems and are fascinating creatures to observe and study. Alligators are known for their unique mating behaviors, which involve courtship displays and vocalizations. The mating season for alligators typically occurs in the spring, when water temperatures are warmer and food sources are more abundant. During this time, male alligators will establish territories and begin to attract females through vocalizations, which involve deep bellows and grunts that can be heard from a distance. Males will also engage in physical displays, such as head slapping, tail thrashing, and snout rubbing, to attract the attention of females. Once a female has chosen a male mate, the pair will engage in a series of courtship behaviors that involve touching, rubbing, and vocalizing. The male will also use his powerful jaws to gently grasp the female's neck or back, in a behavior known as a mating clamp. This position allows the male to fertilize the female's eggs during copulation. After mating, the female alligator will lay her eggs in a nest made of vegetation and soil, and will guard the nest fiercely until the eggs hatch several months later. Once the eggs hatch, the mother will assist the hatchlings in breaking out of their shells, and will then carry them in her mouth to the water, where they will begin their life as independent alligators. Alligator life facts. Here are some interesting facts about alligators. 1. Alligators are cold-blooded reptiles, which means they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. 2. Alligators have a powerful bite, with the strength to crush bones and rip apart prey. Their jaws can exert up to 2,125 pounds of force per square inch. 3. Alligators have a unique gland in their mouth called the salt gland, which allows them to excrete excess salt from their body. 4. Alligators are excellent swimmers, with the ability to hold their breath underwater for up to an hour. 5. Alligators are known to communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including bellows, grunts, and hisses. 6. Alligators are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. 7 alligators have been around for millions of years and are often referred to as living fossils. 8 alligator populations were once threatened due to hunting and habitat loss, but conservation efforts have helped to stabilize their numbers. 9 alligators have been observed using tools in the wild, such as using sticks to lure birds closer to them for easier prey capture. 10 alligators have a unique nesting behavior, with females constructing nests out of vegetation and soil and guarding them fiercely until the eggs hatch.